Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on voice chat on Roblox. So first of all guys, you have to tap on this three dot and go to settings. Now to enable voice chat, what you need to do, you have to go to account info. So to enable voice chat guys, and to get the option in Roblox, you just need to verify your age. So to verify your age, you just need to press or tap on this verify my age, and now you have to prepare your valid ID like a driver license, passport, ID card and resident permit. So it will basically verify your age by valid ID. You just need to tap on this start session and open any browser. So I'm gonna open Chrome browser. Now so if you want to verify, see, before verifying guys, you have to be prepared with the valid government issued ID, and you have a well lit room, and be prepared to take a selfie and a photo of your ID. So you have to take selfie as well. The first thing, you have to take a photo of government issued ID. Then you should have a lit room, and that where you can take a fine selfie and the photo of the ID. After taking selfie and photos, your verification will be done, and then you can tap on to start verifying. Yeah, now you have to choose your country first, so you can choose your country from the list here. Fine, so just click on select. Now it is asking which kind of ID you have, so you can choose anything. So like I'm gonna choose voter ID. Now to take a photo, you just need to click on this camera option and allow the camera permission. So it says this site can't ask for your permission, so let's allow. So what you need to do, you have to go to three dot and see, and go to settings and go to site settings and go to camera. Now you can see that this option will come here. So you just need to expand this and allow this website to access your camera. Once you get this option, just go back and click on camera, allow camera, and you just need to capture your photo ID from here. So due to security guys, I can't show you the full process. So once you take the photo of the ID, now you just need to take the back of your ID, take the image of, capture the back side of your ID, and then once you take, just click on upload. After doing this, it will ask you to take selfie. Fine, so because I didn't upload right now, because I can't show you this process due to security reason. Or so after this, it will ask you to take selfie as well, and after taking selfie, your verification will be done. And when you open the Roblox app, your option voice chat option will be available in the privacy section. Just go to settings again and go to privacy. So your voice chat option will be in this privacy tab. Fine, so you can find the voice chat option here under the privacy settings. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.